Next we are discussing integration of ln x into dx. This one we are discussing. Okay, so here what we will do, here we will use by parts. Okay, so for using by parts, one function we have to take integral function, other function we have to take logarithmic function. So for that we have to use iitjee rule. Okay, so according to iitjee, okay, you can see here exponential function is not there, trigonometry function is not there. Then we have to check algebraic function and logarithmic function. So here logarithmic function is there. Then here we have to take dot 1. 1 is what? Algebraic function. Okay, so if you are not able to see algebraic function, then we'll take dot 1. So 1 is what? Integral function. 1 is integral function. Then we have to use by part formula. So according to by part, this one is a differential function, this one is integral function. So what we will do, ln x is what? Outside. We are using by part formula. So according to by part formula, ln x is outside, integration of 1 into dx minus integration differentiation of ln x. So d by dx of ln x into integration of 1 into dx, then whole integration dx. This will come. Okay, so what will come here? Ln x as it is. Integration of 1 is what? Into x minus big integration d by dx of ln x. So ln x difference is what? 1 by x, and x difference is what will come? Dx by dx, that is 1. Integration of 1 into dx is what? X into dx. So here x getting cancelled. What will come? 1 into dx. So this will come what? X ln x minus integration of 1 into dx is what? X plus c. Okay, at the last we have to write plus c. So this will come. So this one we can have what? X outside, ln x minus 1 plus c. Okay, and 1 we can have ln e. So x ln x minus ln e plus c, because ln e is what? 1. So instead of 1 we can add ln e. So this will come what? X ln x divided by e plus c. We are using properties of log. C we can add ln k also. Okay, so if you write c ln k, so what will come? If I write c equal to ln k, so this will come what? X ln x by e plus ln k. Okay, so here x we can take in power. So what will come? Ln x by e to the power x plus ln k. Okay, now after that this one we can add what? Ln k into x by e to the power x. This also we can write. Okay.